Mama, Papa works tirelessly, yet his smile never fades. How does he manage that?
Ruhi, come closer, my dear. Let me weave you a tale of times past and wisdom vast. In a time not too distant, young Raj, burdened by the shadows in his mind, embarked on a solitary trek into the wilderness. Alas, he found himself adrift in the dense forest. The silence was deafening, the emptiness vast, and the worried Raj vanished into the trees. It was then that the grand sage, an eternal dweller of these woods, materialized before him. With a voice as calm as the forest breeze, he asked, "O young one, why do tears mar your face? What troubles stir within your heart's embrace?" Through trembling lips, Raj recounted his troubled life at work, family, and life's relentless pains. And then, with a gaze as tender as the morning dew, the sage whispered secrets old and true.
In the dawn of time, our forebears roamed free, their homes within the caves, their spirits untamed. They hunted and gathered, no thought of excess, their lives a canvas of pure, primal bliss. But then emerged the sages of the ancient Indian realm, their lives a testament to a sustainable wisdom helm. They had the whole mind, body, soul balance on lock. Their meals were offerings, pure, untainted by greed or haste. Yoga and meditation were not mere exercises, they were pathways to the divine. Yet the wheel of time turned, and with it came change. Foreign feet tread our lands, and our traditions faced strange. New cultures arrived, with their own tales to weave. Our sacred wisdom, once robust, began to grieve. Now behold the present, a tapestry of haste, where life is but a race and wellness lays to waste. Healthcare strides forward, extending lifelines. You live longer, but at what cost? The heart, once a shrine, now a battleground of health. The mind, once a sage, now in search of stealth.
Mama, so the darkness won?
Not so, my child, for the sage bestowed upon Raj a path of light, and he spoke.
Amidst the chaos, a band of souls stands tall. They are the harbingers of a forgotten call. They call themselves Udukai. They embark on a quest to mend what's torn, starting with the nutrition that are sworn. But fear not, for this is merely the beginning, and the tide of change is only spinning. Raj, your time to join the change is now.
And so Raj wept, not with sorrow, but with joy so grand. For this is how your father found his stand.
And the sage, Mama, who might he be?
Ah, that, my love, is a tale for another eve. Now let dreams cradle you, for it's time to sleep.